Next, Sticks sent us their grass-fed beef sticks so we can try them out and let you know our thoughts. First of all, I want to say that 2 beef sticks come into this pack, and this is 10 grams of protein total, which is awesome. So you can essentially split the servings into 2 if you just want 1 beef sticks, but you're also just getting half of the protein. One other thing that I love about this is that the beef is raised without antibiotics or hormones added. So that's huge. Also, no artificial colors, no soy, no MSG, which I'm very sensitive to. I get migraines from MSG. No nitrates or nitrites are added. Whole30 approved, gluten-free. Let's take it out of the package and taste it, because that is very important. See how it tastes and let you know our thoughts. So it's actually pretty good. Very good flavor. Doesn't taste artificial at all. I love beef sticks and beef jerky as like a quick snack. And I can get down with this. I really enjoy the flavor. It just kind of tastes fresh, more fresh to me. Like if you, some of the other beef sticks, they taste like they have artificial seasonings and sugars and things like that. This actually tastes very good. I can see myself eating and buying these on a regular basis. So highly recommend Nick Sticks.